Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the More Analytics Afternoon Energy Podcast for October 10th. We're going to start off with the natural gas. Came off further today, but held exhaustion below, almost to the dime. We held exhaustion above at 301.90, and we rolled over down to 258.80 with multiple other levels just short below here, 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 and here. But we held this exhaustion level warned about at 258.70 to 630, and we held that with a 258.80 low and bounced. So this may be the start of a new bullish structure. We'll have to see. If we come off and take out this area, then we're likely headed down towards 243.90 minus. And we came just shy of a decent penetration back above this line. The decent penetration increased a little bit because of the expansion of volatility on the day. That will be that'll be 47 ticks on Globex pre-open. A crude oil rally left a maintained gap higher today on the day, reestablishing bullishness. The trade below 245 brought in pressure down to 71.53 for $2.97 of pressure for short covering. But now we're bullish. A further decent break above this line right here should add to bullishness. That's going to come in at 75.47 plus 1.8 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This could be the last stretch of the move up from down here, so I would be looking for some exhaustion levels above this high up in here. I'll draw those tomorrow and provide those. RBOB also left a maintained gap higher today on the day. Trade above 186.87 brought 30.66 cents of strength before rolling over down into here, but this is now bullish again, and again likely in the last stretch of this move up. Medium also left the maintain gap higher, and also broke back above this line, reestablishing bullishness as well. The trade below 228.40 brought in 4.37 cents of pressure. And then when we took this line out at 229.08, that reestablished bullishness, and we've seen a run up to 235.99. So we may see a run to take out these highs again, and then I'll be looking for exhaustion levels up above. Brent left the maintain gap higher today as well. The trade below 79.72 brought in 4.57 of pressure down into here. We held this formation and started to bounce. This is reestablished bullishness again. If we were to roll back over and take that line out decently on the downside, which is going to come in at 75.06 minus 0.8 of a tick per hour, that will warn of decent pressure. And the gas oil left the maintain gap higher today. We also saw the range expansion warned about. The trade below 698.25 had brought in 18.75 of pressure down into here, but now that is negated. And the break back above these lines right here reestablishes bullishness, probably for a run back up for the highs. And then again, I'd say I would watch out for exhaustion levels up above. In the cadence and going into tomorrow is the RBOB is the strongest, the heating oil in the middle, and the crude the weakest out of the three relative to one another. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a good evening, and I'll see you on tomorrow's podcast.